Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 ping pong paddles and 1 ping pong ball. Do you play ping pong? Well, I sure love to play it for fun. Here's what you need to get started. You need white, red, blue, and light brown Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the 2 ping pong paddles. And remember, the ping pong paddles always have a red team and a blue team. The ping pong paddles look great. Now I just need to make the ping pong ball. These are my 2 ping pong paddles and my ping pong ball. I love to be Team Blue because that is my favorite color. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.